Keeping your little ones safe at home just got easier with Dreambaby Sliding Locks. These locks provide a quick, secure way to childproof cupboard and cabinet doors, giving you peace of mind without the hassle of complicated setups. Crafted from premium, hard-wearing plastic, Dreambaby sliding locks are built to last. They fit perfectly on D-shaped and mushroom-shaped handles, making them versatile for kitchen cabinets, refrigerator doors, pantries, bathrooms, and more. No tools or hardware needed, just slide them on and you're set. One of the best features is how effortlessly these locks can be moved from one room to another. Whether you're reorganizing or need temporary safety measures, Dreambaby sliding locks adapt to your changing needs without leaving marks or damage. Safety isn't just about the product, it's about how it's made. Dreambaby ensures every lock is produced in factories that meet strict supplier codes of conduct and legal standards. Regular third-party audits guarantee both product quality and worker safety, so you know you're investing in something reliable and responsibly made. Users from across the U.S. have praised these sliding locks for their smooth edges and perfect fit. One customer switched from a different brand because Dreambaby's locks fit their cabinet handles better and were easier to open. Plus, they come at a reasonable price, making them a smart choice for families. If you're looking for a fuss-free, durable solution to childproof your home, Dreambaby sliding locks deliver. They combine convenience, safety, and quality in one simple product that works where you need it most. Worth a look if you want hassle-free protection that moves with you. Try Dreambaby sliding locks when you're ready to secure your cabinets without tools or stress. Choose Dreambaby sliding locks to add a reliable layer of safety to your home. Protect your children with ease and confidence, knowing you have a product designed to fit, last, and perform.